Everything's ready. Hold on. Open. Okay. Oops. Need the TV. I know. We're going to make a columbine. Yeah. Your ear is in my way. Do you care? Didn't think so. Yeah. Girl. Are you a good peanut? Does anyone love you? Mom loves you. Mom loves you. Mom loves you. I know you're a good girl. Where are you going? You gonna get down? Oh, don't get down yet. Let's finish the columbine. I need your help to finish the columbine. Yeah, I need your help. There we go. There's my helper. There's my big helper. Really. No one loves you. And I would be no one. Alright. No. Gosh, you have such a horrible life. You can go sleep? You gonna go to sleep there? 2, 3, 4. Come on, I need one more petal. Oh, there it is. There's my other petal. There's my other petal. Oh, no. Oh, Daniel's asleep. Yeah, 2 more. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. I think you are. I think you are. Yeah. Too hot. You're getting bored? What, you want another job? Yeah. I'm sorry, am I moving too much? Yeah. You gonna get down? Don't get down. Is it time for your coffee break? Your catnip break? Your kitty break? What, does the union say you have to have some time off? Yeah. I think we're working against the cat union now. The girl. There we go. Almost done. Almost done. Okay. Bye-bye. Gotta get down. See? Columbine. And the cat left.